He's feeling fearful of himself because he's worried now because you're filming, recording him.
Yeah.
So that's at that point it becomes a bit worrying. Do you know what I mean? You can ask him questions. You're more in your right to ask him questions.
Of course,
But then filming him. And
the reason, let me explain to you.
That's fine. You can speak to me as
He
well.
works for BBC News, which is in my language Pashto News. They represent Afghanistan, correct? So I asked him, what's your view on the current government? He said, oh, you to ask me this question. I said, look, you represent our country, Afghanistan. So now I face you, so please tell me, what's the view on our current government? It lies in the news. It doesn't tell the truth.
Okay, and I understand that, right? I understand that you've got your views on this, and you can ask him a question. But if he's answered that, which he doesn't even need to answer that, and you continue to follow him.
Okay. So I'm gonna close the video now. Assalamu alaikum, bro. دا خبيث معمول ده بي بي سي نيوز ته کار کوي په پښتو بي بي سي نيوز ته او تمام ورځ په لندن کې انګلند کې ناستي هم